I used to spend over 10 hours every week on repetitive tasks. Now, with these 5 ChatGPT prompts, I get the same work done in under an hour. Let me show you exactly how. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing the exact ChatGPT prompts I use daily to automate my workflow and save massive amounts of time. These prompts work for students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. And the best part? You can copy this word to word and start using them today. Let's start with prompt number 1. Professional email writing. Instead of spending 20 minutes crafting the perfect email, I use this prompt. Here is the exact prompt. Write a professional email to my boss about requesting a day off next Friday for a family event. Tone should be friendly but professional. Keep it under 150 words. Include a clear call to action. Watch how fast ChatGPT creates a perfectly structured email. In just seconds, you have a polite, well-written message ready to send. This single prompt saves me at least 2 hours per week. You can change the recipient, topic, and tone for any situation. Asking for meetings, following up with clients, or reaching out to professors. Prompt number 2. Summarizing long content. Whether it's research papers, articles, or meeting notes, this prompt is a game changer. Here's the prompt. Summarize this text in 5 bullet points. Focus on key takeaways and actionable insights. Use simple language. Then I paste the article below. In seconds, ChatGPT pulls out the most important information. No more reading 10-page reports cover to cover. I use this for YouTube video research, competitor analysis, and staying up to date with industry news. Time saved about 3 hours weekly. Prompt 3. Brainstorming and idea generation. Writer's block is real, but this prompt eliminates it completely. The prompt generate 10 creative ideas for YouTube videos about personal productivity and time management. Make them specific, actionable, and unique. Explain each idea in one sentence. Look at this, 10 solid ideas in under 30 seconds. You can use this for YouTube video topics, social media posts, business strategies, or maybe school projects. Pick the ones you like, then ask ChatGPT to expand on them. This replaces hours of staring at a blank screen. Time saved approximately 2 hours per week. Prompt 4. Learning complex topics fast. This is perfect for students and professionals learning new skills. Here is what I use. Explain how blockchain technology works like I'm a complete beginner. I use simple analogies and real-world examples. Break it down into 3 main concepts. ChatGPT becomes your personal tutor. It breaks down complicated subjects into digestible pieces you can actually understand. No more confusing textbooks or endless Google searches. This prompt makes learning 10 times faster and actually enjoyable. You can replace blockchain with any topic: quantum physics, marketing strategies, coding languages, whatever you need to learn. And finally, prompt 5. Project and task planning. This is how I organize everything from daily schedules to months-long projects. The prompt. Create a step-by-step action plan for launching a small online business selling handmade products. Include timeline, key milestones, and potential obstacles. Make it realistic and achievable for someone working part-time. ChatGPT creates a complete roadmap with timelines and milestones. It even anticipates problems you might face along the way. Copy this into your task manager and you have instant clarity on what to do next. This saves about 1 hour per week in planning time alone. You can use this for fitness goals, learning new skills, organizing events, or any project. Quick bonus tip. After ChatGPT gives you a response, you can always ask it to make the output shorter, longer, more casual, more professional, or adjust it anyway. Just type something like make this more concise or add more detail to point 3. This flexibility is what makes ChatGPT incredibly powerful for saving time. Let's recap. These 5 ChatGPT prompts save me over 10 hours every single week. Professional email writing, content summarization, idea generation, learning complex topics, and task planning. All of these prompts work with the free version of ChatGPT, so you can start using them right now. If these prompts helped you, give this video a thumbs up so more people can discover these time-saving techniques. And if you want more ChatGPT tutorials, AI productivity tips, and beginner-friendly guides, hit subscribe button. I post new videos every week to help you work smarter with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.